said the Erika de Ashimasene, a day trap to Nyansapo Tv. I am for everybody be Edika Abadada Abraso, say Otumfuo Appiah, and now to me, Nukra, Enyamoy, and I was see I will be a fee, and I will do back upon whose my best said, your name, Equa, Hene, Appiah, now said it be our no. So once I will be a pair, Ubemuse, Yawa, na Yashan Abaka Krana, Egum, any idea, a general man, MP, and son and a cremo Abba, and son and what he came was Santa Francano. I don't know what say Edi Kanya, Equi, Bone Safwahene, now Omukra, woman Safwa, Zana mentioned for our almost saying May, almost so atwa so, and Kakranka Crassa, Santene Bato, Bone, a Yemian Mayana, Omukra, Abe, a mine, I can't add the Abumuno, now woman so you may dear said, woman desert and ten, stretch the quine at the court, said any Dika Nibiadim common, and you see a woman. Epam sunsun findi sunsun boni ebie kwamu abra wo hen eba de jana ewo no so ahyen akire kwamu sa pepepe and I want where you need to see. So we're rather na a fadia or fire no na a bra a champim than a two yeno. Safadian pepe a nyentoma ya de said ya ediabubo bumu and an a channel so a yakotoko ah ya de ninkase ni bi and a kotoko nkase and a ya de adra ho a enya sem ketwa and then so re na fadia na ne twa to ya a channel at the musonko a channel edentakra ena yede ahyehye eche no aye ho fefefefefe ena yede ahye no nanso ntoma na efra no no de obi nimara se ba ko na na asafofra esan se eye tuntum se de ye nim ba ko na ena se de enso abubom kama wahene ani abre fidwada no banada ukuada ni nyina no bonsa ware bese na odibi asrasra nanim ewo ho no mo enenso so ye nantemo sa pepepe ato abese no ware bese and what be assassin anymore. And then when any piano so assassin, a tray yaw out womo, any ability I would be sunset. Nema me when I for Nimia bar and I for my eyes as a tromy, a man in her honey. Some media, the P. Usha, baby, a dear near Chandia, Yes, there be a Jordan or yeah, no, Brandon or yeah, no, Quadan or yeah, no, Opie free, I fear say, but in any chim, I want a better one, walk when a better one, any chance. Mamrani amani said yet de biano. Sanya crampo na abrewa kwa. Ansa na opem so bepie na wakodu medie bia ase no sorry a anopa no odika pie kɔ hɔ ekokyea na abrewa bisa na pom afutuo bi a waje de afiri ho ansa na ndwumade wo so odi ne da no wakodi owom se wokɔ akura ade nanso free do ada na ehye ntutu ase no saa na akra oyɛ afei no wode nani ekyire mu hɔ na wakɔ akɔhɔ na abrewa Mary bi se ene ye bere di ka atwato kora a one na abrewa de be di kra na abrewa akɔ akura sese de ni akyire mu a ye kɔ hema fie ni akɔ akura na woda no na wakɔ akɔhwɛ no na mamra ni amane ye sefata no wasa ye ansa na wasa aba abetena edwam.
So you will come back for the second session. And the officiating clergy include Most Reverend Dr. Cyril, Most Reverend Dr. Cyril Kwabena Ben Smith, Most Reverend Gabriel Justice Yao Anarchi, Most Reverend Professor J. Kwabena Asamoah Jedu, Right Reverend Dr. Abraham Nana Opari Kwache, Right Reverend Oscar Christian Amoa, Right Reverend John Yawafapa, Most Reverend Dr. Peter Kwesi Sapor, Most Reverend Dr. Robert G.A. Okai, Most Reverend Dr. Justice Appiah Kofi, Most Osei Bunsu, Most Reverend John Opoku Ajuma, Right Reverend Professor Osei Sofokantanka, Right Reverend Francis Kwashi, Right Reverend Matthias K. Madidios, Double, Right Reverend Pastus Yabua Asiaba, Right Reverend Daniel, Dr. Daniel S.M. Tutu, Right Reverend Reginald Atab Afo, Right Reverend Alexander Kobina Asma, Right Reverend Felix Odai Odansi, Right Reverend Dennis Dekunai Tom, Right Reverend Professor Paul Appiah Secretary, Right Reverend Chem Apoma, Right Reverend Dr. George Kote Nikwe, Right Reverend Dr. George Dawson Amo, Right Reverend Seven Kebuosu, Reverend Samuel Ahimaewa, Pastor Rafo Obe, Very Reverend Michael Opoku Tuasi, Very Reverend Mr. Opoku Achampo, Reverend Dr. Douglas Okono Frumpo, the entire clergy of the Anglican Diocese of Kumasi and all visiting clergy.
Dentini bube, the Breman says you bube. A bay day.
Crap, Roko, and Sabe, or Jambu, be a secret, was what I was. Anyone, Snaffy, Emma, I said,
Blani P. Freeman he say pain, and young Quandewa, lay a sutron white.
And son, oh dear, Svefitana, my quadri brings some more to an same with morning.
You are a new reclaiming. We are so for crowning ye.
Tonto, Yano Sania, I know
Nyansapo.
I want to take on a money and Takraboni, dear, Fenam Quatriqua.
What out of Mount to my effect, Nidin the same.
Nidin Obama.
Akola wanoso pese utrimu usuma ense bratam
the family ho hia na America sa
Sabe ka ya twani mu nyame nai ebu afa so enye de ya twani mu twanyame